I think a good doctor is someone who shows compassion and always puts themselves in the shoes of the patient, always remembering that when the patient leaves the room, they might not remember everything you told them, but they're going to know what it felt like to be in that doctor's office, and that patient is not just another number. I think that goes a long way. When I was a young adult, I remember accompanying my parents to their parents' doctor's appointments, and I just remember the feeling that we received and the empathy that we were shown, and really that to me was inspirational, and I wanted to be able to give back to other people to help them lead fulfilling lives. I deal mostly with chronic conditions such as type 2 diabetes, high cholesterol, high blood pressure. I also deal with acute things such as respiratory infections, urinary infections, and then also lots of preventative health care, so annual physicals, school physicals. Being able to be quick on your feet and address people's issues and conditions in a quick but efficient manner and be thorough is definitely a skill that you obtain while you're in practice, and then being able to get them to where they need to be. Here at Memorial, we're really blessed to have amazing specialties, so connecting them with the right person to get them where they need to be is very important. The practice I'm in right now has a very diverse patient population, and it's neat because when I go from room to room, I have no idea, what that patient does for a living, and I treat them the same. Always kind of getting to know them as a person, as a primary care doctor is really important, and kind of inviting their family members to also be part of their team. It's always nice to walk into a room and to see a patient, and then they have their family member there, and I recognize them from last week when I saw their mother or someone else in the office with us. So being able to develop those relationships and seeing your patient succeed is really rewarding. Trust is a term that I like to instill in patients and have them trust the process and trust their doctor and their team to give them the best care possible. Everyone has different issues and different conditions, but if you're able to come to the doctor and trust them and work together with them, then it takes you a long way.